All right, so here today at Rio Ulba, so Ulba River. I'm here with my buddy Seth and his wife and his kids, and we're gonna head up to the waterfall. There's two waterfalls. One is called El Silencio, and it's smaller, so it means the silent. So it's just gonna be a tiny waterfall, so we're not gonna film that one. But we're gonna take the drones up and have a look at the bigger waterfall, Ulba Waterfall. All right, so let's go check it out. So I'm just kind of zipping along here. Actually, it's not too bad. As you can see, easy to walk along. Well cleared. We had to pay 50 cents a person to come in. The kids don't pay, but I guess it's on someone's property, so they made it into a little park. And yeah, it's really nice. Wow, look at those. Are you gonna eat those? We're getting really close. And I'm waiting for that cinematic moment when everything comes into the clear. And in front of us is the majestic waterfall. Okay, wait for it. 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 Oh, we're almost there. We're almost there. What is that?
There's a cave.
Cascada. Yeah.
I bet that rock's gonna fall off soon.
Oh yeah. Excuse me, sir. Can I have an interview? Yeah? How old are you? Yeah?
How old are you?
Yeah? 5. 5, right? Yeah? And what's your name?
I'm Seth.
Seth, yeah. And how long have you been living here by the waterfall? Ah, you live up top on the second floor. Oh, okay. Yeah? Yeah. Do you like to go fishing here?
Yes.
Yeah?